Before this past week fall, this was all cleared out. About 10 to 14 inches of snow, sleet, snow. It was clear all the way to the backhoe. But time to crunch, crunch, crunch. See, chunks. Chunks of snow. We'll get there, clear it out. Again. Ice, snow, ice, snow. That's the way it is in New England. Camp icy all caked together. It's backhoe time. Check this out. Of course, snow's still coming. Got ice underneath, but now it's clear. We can get through. Here we go. Look out. Some nice wide paths. Scrape the driveway with the bucket. So it was all ice, kind of like our yard is. Look at this, inches and inches of ice. We're good though. A couple more mountains. Mount Walter's in the background. And there we go. And it's snowing again on February 15th. Thanks for watching.